Ready to get paid on TikTok Shop? In this video, I'll show you how to add your bank account step by step. First thing you're going to do is log into TikTok Seller Center. Once you're here, it's going to look like something like this. Top right hand corner, My Account, Account Settings. It's going to look like this. You're going to click on Bank Accounts. It's going to look like this. You're going to click on To Receive and click Manage Account, or if there's no account attached, you should see a button where you can add your bank account. Now once you go to the Manage Account tab, it's going to look something like this, and you're going to click Add Payment Method. You're going to do bank transfer, and then you're going to go through those steps to add it. After it's added, I recommend to log out, log back in, go back to account settings, bank account, and make sure it's all updated and valid. It should say valid. If it's not valid, you may have to do extra steps, and you can also contact right here the seller assistant. And what you can do is ask to talk to an actual person, and somebody from TikTok will help you. But that's it for today's video. If you want me to make more TikTok videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a TikTok seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your TikTok journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales or anything mentioned in this video, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, signing out.